2025 is shaping up to be the year when AI stops being just a tool and starts operating as an independent force. 2025 and beyond likely will be about swarms of AI agents, networks of AI agents, them working together and maybe even against each other to some result. What are you excited about in 2025? What's to come? AGI. Excited for that, impacting finance, healthcare, retail, and corporate workflows. But how did we get here so fast? Why are top companies, governments, and researchers all betting on AI agents? And most importantly, what does this mean for the future of work, business, and power? Stay tuned, because this shift is bigger than most people realize. What is Agentic AI and why is it different? Agentic AI is like having an incredibly smart assistant that actually understands your goals and takes initiative to make them happen. Unlike regular AI systems that are pretty much just trained to automate specific tasks, Agentic AI has real autonomy. For years, AI has been about assistance, answering questions, generating text, creating images. Think Chat, GPT, Claude, Gemini. But there's a huge limitation. These AI models only work when prompted. They don't act on their own. Agentic AI changes that. Instead of waiting for input, these AI agents think, decide, and execute tasks autonomously, all based on real-time data. They don't just generate content. They analyze situations, optimize workflows, and even initiate business decisions without human intervention. Take Fair Market, a procurement AI startup. It's deploying AI agents that negotiate contracts, verify compliance, and manage vendor relationships autonomously, tasks that used to take entire teams. Another example is WebWork AI, which tracks employee productivity in real time, identifying inefficiencies and suggesting operational improvements. Finance is already seeing this shift. Think AI's autonomous stock trading models analyze market conditions, predict trends, and generate portfolios that outperform traditional human traders. These AI agents don't just assist, they operate independently within set parameters, making decisions at machine speed. And then there's Walmart. The retail giant has quietly been integrating AI agents to manage inventory, optimize supply chains, and predict customer demand. These systems are running in the background, constantly adjusting logistics, cutting costs, and reducing waste. Why 2025 is the tipping point for AI agents. You're going to see very large context windows, agents, and text action. When they are delivered at scale, it's going to have an impact on the world at a scale that no one understands yet. Much bigger than the horrific impact we've had on by social. A few years ago, this level of AI autonomy was theoretical, but now multiple technological and economic factors are accelerating adoption. First, there's Deloitte's 2025 AI forecast, which predicts that 25% of companies using generative AI will launch agentic AI pilots this year, a number expected to hit 50% by 2027. Second, there's the $500 billion US AI infrastructure project, Stargate, a massive private sector effort to build high-performance AI computing facilities across the country. The goal? Enable AI-driven decision-making at scale. Then there's the rising cost of human labor. According to a 2024 report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, labor costs in the US increased by 4.3% in 2023 alone, forcing businesses to automate processes wherever possible. AI agents are becoming a cost-saving necessity, not just an option. And it's not just businesses. Governments are investing heavily in AI autonomy. China has allocated billions into self-learning AI models that can optimize manufacturing, logistics, and even public administration. The European Union, meanwhile, is working on AI governance to prevent unchecked AI expansion while still encouraging innovation. The key takeaway: the AI arms race is happening now, and agentic AI is at the center of it. Real-world use cases. The shift from passive AI to autonomous AI agents isn't just a theory, it's already happening across major industries. In finance and investing, traditional firms are being disrupted by autonomous trading AI. Think AI is already outperforming human investors by using real-time data to adjust portfolios, predict trends, and execute trades automatically. Industry giants like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley are integrating AI-driven risk analysis models to prevent market losses before they happen, reducing the need for human intervention in high-frequency trading. In retail and logistics, AI agents are transforming supply chains. Walmart's AI systems are actively forecasting product demand, restocking shelves, and minimizing overstock waste, all without human involvement. Meanwhile, Amazon's AI-driven warehouse operations are optimizing order fulfillment, ensuring next-day delivery efficiency, and reducing logistical errors that previously required human oversight. AI is also making strides in healthcare and medicine. AI-powered diagnostic tools are now analyzing patient data faster than human doctors, identifying patterns that would take days for traditional methods. New hopes for kinder treatment is immunotherapy. That's drugs that work alongside your own immune system to kill cancer cells. Scientists here at Lab Genius in Southeast London are harnessing the power of robotics and AI. They're hoping it'll help them find new immunotherapy treatments and make existing ones better. The UK's National Health Service, NHS, has already begun testing AI-driven patient triage systems that assess medical histories, recommend treatments, and predict disease progression, enhancing early detection and personalized care. In corporate automation, Agentic AI is replacing middle management roles by automating paperwork, compliance checks, and workflow optimization. Companies like Fair Market are deploying AI procurement agents to negotiate supplier contracts and eliminate manual processing, significantly reducing operational costs. In all these cases, AI isn't just helping, it's running systems on its own. But this raises a crucial question. If AI is already handling so much, what happens to human jobs? That's exactly what we'll get into next. Will AI replace humans? AI is already outperforming humans in many tasks, from stock trading to contract negotiations and medical diagnostics. Historically, automation hasn't eliminated jobs, it has transformed them. But agentic AI operates differently. Unlike past automation waves that primarily replaced repetitive manual labor, this new wave is targeting knowledge-based roles, the ones previously considered safe. Professionals in finance, law, customer service, and even medicine are seeing AI take over tasks that once required human expertise. One example is the Tutor Group case, where an AI-powered hiring system automatically rejected applicants based on age-violating anti-discrimination laws. This highlights a major flaw in autonomous bias is still an issue. Without strict oversight, AI can reinforce systemic biases, leading to legal and ethical challenges that companies must now address. While experts insist that AI should assist, not replace humans, businesses operate on a simple principle: profitability. AI agents reduce labor costs, boost efficiency, and work 24/7, making them highly attractive to corporations. This is why governments are stepping in to regulate AI development and deployment. The EU's AI Act is enforcing strict transparency laws, requiring companies to disclose how AI makes decisions. At the same time, AI ethics boards are forming within major corporations to monitor bias and prevent AI misuse. Despite these efforts, the reality remains. AI won't replace every job, but it will eliminate many repetitive roles. The workforce will need to adapt by upskilling into AI-related fields, focusing on careers that require human judgment, creativity, and oversight. The areas where AI still falls short. Governments are also stepping in, recognizing that AI dominance is a matter of global power. The $500 billion Stargate project in the US is funding AI infrastructure to ensure America remains the global leader in AI development. At the same time, China is heavily investing in self-learning AI models, aiming to automate entire industries at a national scale. This race is no longer just about innovation. It's about control, power, and economic dominance. The companies and countries that master agentic AI will have a significant competitive advantage in the years ahead. The hidden challenges of AI autonomy. While the rise of agentic AI presents groundbreaking advancements, it also introduces a new set of risks and unanswered questions that businesses, regulators, and society at large must confront. AI autonomy doesn't just change industries, it challenges fundamental assumptions about accountability, security, and trust in decision-making systems. One major concern is AI decision-making transparency. Unlike traditional software that follows predefined rules, agentic AI operates dynamically, adjusting its behavior based on real-time data and self-learning mechanisms. This makes it increasingly difficult to audit AI decisions, raising concerns in finance, healthcare, and law, where explainability is critical. If an AI trading agent causes a market crash, or an AI-powered medical system misdiagnoses a patient, who is responsible? These are legal and ethical dilemmas that remain unresolved. Another issue is cybersecurity risks. As AI agents gain more autonomy in corporate infrastructure, they become prime targets for cyber attacks. A hacked AI system controlling financial transactions, supply chains, or healthcare operations could lead to devastating real-world consequences. This is why AI security frameworks are now a top priority for regulators, with governments pushing for stricter cybersecurity protocols to prevent AI-driven disruptions. And then, there's the problem of unintended AI behaviors. Researchers have documented cases where self-learning AI systems found unexpected shortcuts or exploited loopholes in ways their developers never anticipated. When AI is tasked with maximizing efficiency, it doesn't always align with human intentions, leading to potential unethical or harmful outcomes. Despite these challenges, the trajectory is clear. AI agents are here to stay, and the next wave of technological breakthroughs will focus on making them safer, more transparent, and more controllable. The key question now is not whether AI will dominate industries, but how well we can manage its impact before it's too late. By the end of 2025, businesses will integrate AI agents into real-world operations at scale. Companies that embrace AI automation will gain a massive competitive edge, while those that resist risk being left behind. This is the last era where AI is just a tool. Over the next 5 years, AI will transition into a decision-maker, strategist, and industry disruptor, reshaping economies, business models, and the way people work. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.